Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we've been sort of showcasing this hover plugin here. It's called Divi Image Hover Effects, and it's absolutely awesome. They give you, I think, 250 of these effects. Here's just some that I've thrown together on the page here. And we've also been building some of these from scratch using the inbuilt Divi features. But this is a wonderful little plugin. Now, I had a question on one of my videos asking if this would work with a full width image. So let's find out. Let's go. I've got a page open here. It's just got a regular section in. Let's add a new section. I suspect it's not going to show up in the full width modules. I'll add a new section. I'll make it a full width section. And yeah, I don't see our little hover image module is not there, so you can't add it to the full width section there. But like everything else, there's a pretty simple workaround. Let's just shut this one up. I'll get rid of the full width section, and above I've just got a regular. I'll get rid of that one too. Above I've got a regular section right here. I'm just going to go ahead and put a row in it, put it a single column. And as by default, Divi comes with all of these modules except for the Divi Image Hover, which is this plugin. And by the way, they've actually got this plugin reduced from $49 to $15 at the moment. If anybody wants to grab it, I'll put this image below. Like I say, it's an awesome little plugin. I bought it. I'm going to be using it a lot. So anyway, we've got a row with a single column. I'm going to go ahead and put in the Divi Image Hover. Choose a style. They got some fantastic styles. Take a look at my hover playlist if you want to check out some of these other styles. I'll just use a classic. I'll do this quite quickly. Hover style, fading up's fine for me. Content, let's put an image in there. As it's full width, I'm going to try and find a little bit of a skinnier image. So let's try that one. That's fine. As you can see, it's already got an overlay by default. Image alt text. Alt text, all images on websites should have alt text. And it's really there to describe the image for screen readers, for sight impaired people. It'll read out what the image actually is. But a lot of people use it for SEO and put in keywords and geolocation data, etc. So use it as you will, but the real purpose of it is for sight impaired people. Image opacity is fine. Okay, we'll put in our title. And you've got a prefix, infix and suffix. First word, second word, third word basically. If I hover, you can see that right there. I'm going to go down a little bit. You can add some content there. I'll just throw a bit of content. I just happen to have the little text file open there. That's alright, there's quite a lot of content, but I don't mind that because it's going to be full width, so there'll be plenty of space. Add a button. The button doesn't show up unless you put a URL in there just below. Put a hashtag in because I've got no real place for it to go. There we go, we've got our button there. Doesn't matter if you're linking to your own site, keep it in the same window. If you're linking to some external site, open it in a new tab. That way your site stays open. Now this is wonderful, this button. At the moment it's squished up to the top here. If I hit this, it vertically aligns it. I like that. I think that's great. Saves me a lot of time with padding and stuff. Image overlay, well that's our red color there. Well, let's just make that black. And we'll take the opacity down a little bit. Because I want to see the image behind it and still be able to read the text. That's fine. No swap away background. If you want the whole module, not just the button to link to something, that's where you put it right there, module link. And you can have two different links, one for the button, one for the module if you like. Alright, let's just chuck some little bit of design in here and we'll make it full width. Let's go to our title. I'm going to do them all at once. I'll leave the font as it is. I'm going to make it ultra bold. I'm going to make it a lot bigger, capitalize it. And of course you can change the color for each of those three words, prefix, infix and suffix. That's a pretty big title right there. Great. I'm going to up the line height so it'll push down the content a little bit. That may be too much. No, that's fine. That'll work. Because when I put it full screen, it's going to go even further. Alright, well, that's all I'm going to do. As I say, you can do all of the three words separately, content separately, etc. and button, obviously. So let's make this thing full width. So there it is, sort of, it's contained right there. To make it full width, we're going to go into our row design, and I'm sure if anybody's watched my videos before, you know how to do this. We want to go into sizing. Width, I'm going to slide up to 100%. I'm going to type in 100% or copy and paste, however you like to do it. We've now got a full width image there, which is great. So let's save that. Now I want to take the padding away from the row. I also want to take the padding away from the section at the top. So let's just get rid of it right like that. And there we have it. Save draft, or publish if you're ready, and exit the Visual Builder. So there we have, there we've got this plugin working as a full width hover effect image. So it was Tom that asked that question. So the simple answer, Tom, is yes and no. It won't work with the inbuilt full width section because it won't be available there. But you can use it in a regular section and make it full width just by making your row full width. So there you have it. I hope you found that useful and enjoyed it. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.